I have a 90 Bryant furnace. I have 3 slow blinks and 3 rapid blinks. The thermostat was replaced, batteries work, no heat coming out, no gas smell, but it appears the pilot want light for heat. I have air, just cold air though. Filters are clean.
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
Yes, set for 68.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
So far I have. I had someone out before Christmas to double-check the drain and replace the condensate pump, cleared the line that goes from furnace to the pump.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
They checked for carbon monoxide levels, leaks, etc. Everything appeared to be fine.
33 error is usually a limit switch error. Can you give me complete model from inside furnace and burner compartment so I can provide guidance with this specific unit? Model will be on a label just above burners on right or left inside panel http://i.ngr.com/u8b0gxt.jpg.
Product 352 MOV 036080 OFCO Model 253 MOV 036080 Series C Serial Number 0705A12857 Year 2005.
The 33 flash code is an open high temp limit error. There may be several limits on the furnace. Below describes locations. PRIMIT. The pre-MIT control is located on the partition panel and monitors heat exchanger compartment temperatures. It is a normally closed, electrically, automatic reset, temperature activated sensor. The limit guards against the overheating as a result of insufficient conditioned air passing over the heat exchanger. Auxiliary limit. The auxiliary limit controls are located on or near the circulator blower and monitors heat exchanger compartment temperatures. They are a normally closed, electrically, manual reset, temperature activated sensors. These limits guard against overheating as a result of insufficient conditioned air passing over the heat exchanger. Vent draft guard. These would be located on the draft hood if you have one on your furnace. Rollout limit. The rollout limit controls are mounted on the burner/manifold assembly and monitor the burner flame. They are normally closed, electrically, manual reset, temperature activated sensors. These limits guard against burner flames not being properly drawn into the heat exchanger. Let's start with the most simple and easy. Look near burners for limits with a little button in center. It will push into reset. If none are tripped, we will go from here. Let me know if you have a multimeter for troubleshooting. http://i.ngr.com/cgkb9sa.jpg. All limits should be in the red circuit shown below. Try resetting rollouts first, and if that does not solve, we will go from there.
It looks like there is a cover over it.
Can you see the little button in between the wires? And can you get to it? If you have a picture, would help me guide you.
No, when I try to send a picture, it crashes my computer. The wiring all looks good and is connected. Hello?
Sorry, had a phone call. Do you have a multimeter to do some troubleshooting? We have to determine which limit is open and the why.
Hello? Okay, so the schematic looked normal, could not see or get to a reset button, there is a cover over the part, I think, I do not have a multimeter to troubleshoot. The furnace guy came out about 3 weeks ago and tested everything including checking my condensate pump replacement. This is a Bryant Preferred Plus 90T.
The 33 error code is telling us you have a limit open. Does it reset if you turn power off and back on?
Hello? Okay, so the schematic looked normal, could not see or get to a reset button, there is a cover over the part, I think, I do not have a multimeter to troubleshoot. The furnace guy came out about 3 weeks ago and tested everything including checking my condensate pump replacement. This is a Bryant Preferred Plus 90T. It is supposed to. Everything seems to be working but no gas coming in or pilot on.
Furnace will not light as long as limit S open. Does it reset if you turn power off and back on?
It seems to try. It seems to try. The thermostat had to be replaced. It appears that perhaps it shut off when that went out. Now won't restart the pilot?
Okay, the error code goes away. So how far in this sequence before you get error code again? Inducer vent motor comes on, pressure switch closes, igniter lights, burners ignite, main circulating blower comes on.
It seems to try. The thermostat had to be replaced. It appears that perhaps it shut off when that went out. Now won't restart the pilot? Now I get 4 blinks.
The errors are going to be in short and long blinks. So out of the 4, how many are short and how many are long?
It seems to try. The thermostat had to be replaced. It appears that perhaps it shut off when that went out. Now won't restart the pilot? Now I get 4 blinks, 1 short, 3 long.
That is still indicating one of the limits is open. If you cannot get to them to troubleshoot, you will have to call in a technician on site with tools to determine which limit is open and correct problem causing limit to open or replace limit. Thanks for letting me work with you. If my answer has been polite, professional, and thorough, please click one of the ratings before you go. If you still need help, let me know. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified. To rate answer, please select one of the stars on the page. 13 error.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.